Fokirhat online school. Dear learners, I hope you are well and safe at home. I am also fine. Here I am Banawali Vishwas, assistant teacher from Bhairdia High School, Mansha, Fokirhat, Bagirhat. Dear learners, we are suffering a serious disease called COVID-19. In this pandemic moment, all the educational institutions are closed and you are trying your best to prepare your lesson yourself. Government has taken a good step to help you to prepare your lesson through online education. Now I will take a class on English grammar. This class will be fruitful for the secondary students. Let's enjoy the class. Dear learners, look the board and see what is the color. Yes, it is white. Now say, what is the parts of speech of white? Okay, it is an adjective. Today's our lesson is not adjective, but our lesson is comparison of adjective, which is called in another words degree. Dear learners, can you say the difference between adjective and degree? You can follow. Karim is tall. Rohim is tall. Here, tall is adjective because this qualify or modify noun Rohim and Karim. But when we say Karim is as tall as Rohim, here tall is comparison of adjective or degree. Now, mind it, when there is no comparison, it is called adjective, and when there is a comparison between person to person or materials to materials according to their false qualities or conditions, it is called degree or comparison of adjective. Okay. Now, what is degree? What is degree? Degree is the comparison of adjective. The comparison between person to person or materials with materials according to their faults, qualities or conditions. It saves its for the percentage of variation and transformation is called degree. Actually, when there is the comparison between two things, place, person or any other things, it is called comparison of adjective or degree. Okay. How many kinds of degree there are in English? There are 3 kinds of degree. Degree, three kinds. Number 1, positive degree, comparative degree, and last superlative degree. Here D for degree. Okay. When comparison is between two things according to their faults, qualities or conditions is same, then there is positive, and we find the comparative degree. In the comparative degree there is differences according to their faults, and in the superlative degree, the comparison between 3 or more person, things or materials. But the comparison between positive degree and comparative degree may be always occurred or happened between two persons, groups, to things, place, etc. Dear learners, here it is suppose Rohi and suppose is Kori, both are same tall. Here we can say Rohim is as tall as Kori. Here it is positive degree. But when here E is Jamal. You notice that Jamal is tall from Rohim and Korim. Now we can say Jamal is taller than Rohim or Korim. You can also follow here Kamal. Kamal is the tallest boy. No boy in the group Rohim, Korim, Jamal is not same tall as Kamal. Now we can say Kamal is the tallest boy in the class. It is superlative degree. Here it is positive, here it is comparative, and now here it is superlative. Now the learners, before transforming from positive to comparative or superlative, we learn some adjective how to change from positive degree to comparative, and comparative then superlative. Positive degree, comparative degree, and then superlative degree. The adjective which is consisting of one syllable, we can transform them comparative and superlative, adding er and es in the ends of the word. The adjective which is consisting of one or monosyllable, suppose kind. One syllable, the word kind. We can change it using er in the last, kind, and kindness, est in the next. You can also say high in the second word, high, high. We add er to make it comparative and to transfer into superlative, we add est, highest. Then second rule, the word which ends with e. Suppose able. Here the word ends with E. We can transfer it into comparative only using or adding R. Able, R, and ST to make it or transfer it superlative. So here we also large, the word large. We also see the word large, larger. Then the last of the word here it is E. We can add only R, and in the superlative we can use ST. Okay. Next, the word actually adjective which ends with Y, and before the Y there is consonant like it is busy. Busy, you can transfer it into comparative cut down Y or cut Y, B, and replace Y in the place of Y, replace I, and then add ER, and in the superlative we also use BZ and EST. Here we replace I in the place of Y and then EST, and here we replace I in the place of Y and add ER to make it comparative. But if there is vowel before Y, suppose the word gay, the last word here is Y, and before the Y there is no consonant, there is a vowel. Here we only add ER, and we cannot change Y. See here, and then yes. Okay. Dear learners, try to understand, and now I will go for the next rule. The word, actually adjective, which ends with consonant and there is a vowel, only single vowel actually. Suppose for example big, the word big ends, the word big ends with consonant Z. Before the consonant there is a single vowel. To transfer the word into comparative, we use the rule. We have to write double Z. Actually the rule is the consonant must be double and then we add er. Here also bi double g and next est. Okay, and like this we can write fit, fit, and here also we use or write double t, and then er. Here in the superlative we also write double t and then est. Okay, but the ending word is consonant, but there is double vowel, not single. Then what we do? What will we do? We will do only use er and est. Like this, we. Here the ending word is a consonant and there is double vowel. Here we write, we got only adding er and only adding est. Okay, dear learners, have you understood easily? And now I will rub it for next. Dear learners, here you have seen the adjective which consisting of mono or one syllable. We apply these rules, but when the word is die, try, 2 or 3 or more syllable, then we add before the word more and most. Suppose beautiful. Beautiful. The word is not consist of one syllable or monosyllable. The word is beautiful. Trisyllable. Consist trisyllable. Here we add before the word more to transfer it into comparative, and we add before the word and before the adjective most to transfer it into superlative. Like this, the word intelligent, more intelligent, and next most intelligent. Okay, you have understood here intelligent, and here also intelligent. There are some adjectives which follow no rules. Suppose good. Here, oh, you can eat. It is better, and then yeah, it is best. Okay, and another word bad. Okay, bad and bad, ill, same, evil, also same, worse, yes, worse, and then in the superlative, worse, yes, worse. This type of adjective change its forms following this process, and there are some words used as adjective which is always comparative degree, junior, senior, senior, junior. This type of words used in comparative degree. Now we go to transfer, how to transfer positive degree to comparative degree and superlative degree. Before transforming, we show is I show you and I with you. We also see the poster how we can memorize the rules of degree to transfer from one degree to another. In short, the learners, can you see it? No problem. Okay. See. The structure of degree, serial number 1 and 2, 3 are positive degree, T for degree, and comparative degree, and also superlative degree. At first rule, subject here B for verb plus as also plus adjective, the form of positive form here, and then plus as, and last we write another subject here, second subject, and to transfer this type of structure of sentence we use these rules. Here we only write subject plus verb and then adjective, the form of comparative form, and then we write then and then subject. There is no use of superlative degree this time because in this sentence and this type of sentence compare only two group person, materials or things. The comparison between already learned. You have already learned that the comparison between two things or person or materials is never possible in the superlative degree. Only positive and comparative degree can compare two things, two person, two materials, etc. Okay. Next, when there is no other, after no other we can use singular subject and then singular verb. Actually, the verb proceed according to their subject and then as or so, then plus subjective and then as, then second subject. And in the comparative, we use here their learners. You mind that in the positive degree, first subject become in the comparative degree second subject. Suppose I can show an example here. Rohim is as tall as Karim. Here first subject and here second subject. We can transfer it into comparative. We first write Karim. Here in the comparative positive and comparative. Second subject will be first subject in the comparative degree. Karim is not taller than Rohim, and Rohim was first subject in the positive degree. He in the comparative degree is second subject. Okay. Fine. Dear learners, in the third rule, in the positive degree, we use very few plus subject. After very few, we write plural subject. Okay, plural subject, and then verb, and after so or as, then adjective. Adjective must be positive form of the degree, and then as, and after as we write second or another subject. And if in the positive degree the structure is such, we use in the comparative degree this structure. Subject here, this subject go there, and verb, adjective, comparative form, then here most or all, then other and subject. In this case, we also make it superlative, this type of sentence, but when there is no other, we use subject plus verb plus the, and then superlative form of the degree, and then subject. And when the very few who start the sentence, we use the this rule have subject plus verb plus on of plus the plus adjective here we all always use in the superlative form of the adjective and then subject. Okay, now we transfer positive degree to comparative degree. Okay, we transfer sentence of positive degree into comparative degree and then superlative. First of all, Rohim is as tall as Karim. Here this is positive degree. Here we have learned some rules. Now we transfer how to positive to comparative to then superlative. Okay, Rohim is as tall as Karim. It is positive. We transfer it into comparative. What will be this sentence in comparative degree? Oh yes, we first write the second subject here. Karim is subject plus verb plus adjective. Comparative form tall is, but both are same tall. We use here not. Okay, taller. Karim is not taller than Rohim. Okay, and number 2. No other then singular subject man, no other man in the village is as, or so you can use or you can find in the question paper, as or so. Then Y is as Jamal. It is also positive. The Y is adjective here, positive form, and we make it comparative. We first write second subject. Okay, Jamal. Jamal is, yes, is. Why? Adjective. Here it is wise, and it is ends with e. In the comparative form, we add only r. It was second rule. Okay. Jamal is wiser than any other man in the village. First subject. You always remember that, or always try to memorize. In the positive degree, the first subject become in the comparative degree second subject, and positive degree first subject, second subject become first subject in the comparative and also superlative. Okay, then we also use the very few poets, very few poets in Bangladesh. Here we use verb. Is or are? Yes, here are very few, and then plural subject, and here instead of is or singular verb we use plural verb are. Okay, are as great at Nazrul. Comparative degree. In comparative, we use this Nazrul as second subject as first subject. Nazrul. Is very few. We follow the on of. Okay. Nazrul is on of. Sorry. Nazrul is greater. Sorry, I am transferring it superlative. Sorry. Nazrul is greater than most or here all other poets. Nazrul is greater than most other poets in Bangladesh. Okay. Now, if we try to transfer these three sentences into superlative, what will be happen? This sentence in superlative not possible because here the comparison between two, okay, two person, materials, objects, or places, you mind that to become superlative, there is also comparison between or among three or more groups, person, place, materials, etc. And this is no other man, here many men. And Jamal is compared with many men. Here we, in the superlative, we use Jamal is the wisest man. Jamal is the subject plus verb plus the plus superlative form of adjective where wisest, then man in the village. Second subject plus verb plus the plus superlative form of adjective and then second subject. Okay, you have noticed that in comparative degree and superlative degree, first subject is always first subject and second subject is always second subject. But in the positive, there is difference in the positive degree. No other man in the man here subject is the first subject was man in the village. But this says in comparative and superlative, here we find this in the second subject. Okay? Fine. Thank you, dear learners. And here, superlative, to transfer it into superlative, we use also nose rule. Nose rule is the greatest poet, one of the greatest, here we use one of the greatest. Here we use nose is one of the greatest. One of the greatest. Very few. When in positive degree, very few, we make it comparative using then, most other, or all other, and to superlative we use one of the. Okay, one of the greatest poet, one of the greatest poets in Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh. Dear young learners, have you understood? And now I will go how to transfer comparative to superlative and positive. comparative, from comparative to superlative, and then positive. You are stronger than I. You are stronger than I. Here it is comparative and make it superlative. Superlative. Can we make it superlative? No, because there are comparison between only two. Okay. Fine. And then Akbar was greater than any other emperor. Make it superlative. We use Akbar. You see that first subject here, first subject. Akbar was the greatest emperor. And then very few metals are I will write a sentence on comparative degree. Iron is more useful. Iron is more useful than most other metals. Here we can write it into to make superlative. Iron is one of the most useful metals. Okay. Now to make it positive, we write here, use no other. Okay, no other emperor. Here notice that it is singular. Emperor was as great as Akbar. Okay, and here use a very few positive. In positive degree, very few metals. You notice that we Right. Second subject, very few metals are as useful as iron. Okay. Now, in short, we learn how to transfer superlative to comparative and positive. First, superlative to comparative and then positive. Superlative to comparative and then positive. Dhaka is the largest city in Bangladesh. Make it comparative. Yes. Here Dhaka, the subject does not fill their position. Dhaka is larger than any other city in Bangladesh. Okay, it is comparative, and in the second sentence you follow John Keats was one of the greatest romantic poets in English literature. Okay, make it comparative. The subject notions their position. John Keats was greater than most other, or you can also use all, than all other or most other poets in English. You always write English with capital letter E. English literature. Make it positive. If we make it positive, we have changed the subject. No other city. Okay, the no other city, the second subject, both comparative and superlative degree. No other city in Bangladesh is as or so large as Dhaka. Okay, fine, dear students and learners. Now here you follow. Now I am trying to convert it into positive. And we must change the subject. Here we use the second subject with very few poets in English. English literature. Here the subject is plural and we use instead of was, we use here were. Here after greater, romantic also use here. And where as great romantic as John Keats. If there is no use of romantic, you avoid it, and if there is romantic in the question paper, you will write. Okay, dear learners, thank you all. I will come back with another class. Till then, you will of course enjoy another class with another teacher to prepare yourself staying at home. And thank you all. Be safe.